A sitting High Court judge in India has resigned just days before the Parliament was set to begin his impeachment hearings. Here is everything that happened in order. On March 14, 2025, a fire breaks out at the official government residence of Justice Yashwant Verma in Delhi. Now, he was a judge of the Delhi High Court at this time. Firefighters arrived, they found stacks of cash in the storeroom near the servant quarters. They were burnt and the amount allegedly recovered was 15 crore rupees. Justice Verma and his wife were not at home at that time. They were in Bhopal and Justice Verma denied everything. He said that the cash was not his. He also said that he was not present when the fire broke out, that he could not have been held responsible for what was found at the site when he was not even at it. The Supreme Court took this seriously. Then, the Chief Justice of India ordered an in-house inquiry. A 3-judge committee investigated into this matter. The conclusion was that Justice Verma and his family, they had control over the room where the cash was found. So he was transferred from the Delhi High Court to the Allahabad High Court. Then the Parliament got involved. 146 members of the Parliament, they signed a motion seeking his removal. A formal 3-member committee was also constituted under the Judges Inquiry Act. Justice Verma went to the Supreme Court to challenge the inquiry panel. The Supreme Court rejected the plea and allowed the proceedings to continue. And then on 9th April 2026, just days before the hearing was about to start, he resigned with immediate effect. His resignation letter to the President said that he did not wish to burden the office with his reasons. Now here is an important legal fact you must understand. If a judge is removed through the impeachment process, they lose their pension and all retirement benefits. But if a judge resigns before the impeachment is completed, they retain those benefits as a retired judge. Now with his resignation, the entire impeachment process is now meaningless. What's your view on this? Follow me if you want me to keep breaking down these big legal stories for you, and don't forget to share it with your friends.